Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you this texture stitch. I didn't give a name yet. I made it up and I like to use it for my biggest work, like my, sweaters or cardigans. It's really a nice texture. I will use a chunky yarn like that and 6mm crochet hook. If you are ready, please subscribe to my channel and let's start. At first, I'll start with a slip stitch. Then I will chain an odd number. I'll make a little sample. So 6. I'll chain 11. Yarn over and skip that first stitch. Just a minute. Skip that first stitch, insert that second stitch and make a half double crochet. Yarn over and pull it through from the 3 loops. At the second chain, we will make a single crochet, but we will make it like that. Just insert your hook from back to front and take the yarn, just pull it through and make a single crochet. Make a half double. At the next stitch we will make single crochet again. Just take your yarn like that. Make a single crochet and half double and a single crochet. I will just keep doing like that. Half double and single crochet. Half double, single crochet. Now we finish our first row. Chain 1 and turn your work. We will start with a half double again. From the first stitch we will make a half double crochet and then make a single. Now half double, a single. I will just keep doing like that. By the way, my hands is a real bad condition. Sorry for that, cause it's so cold here. Actually, I'm living in a sunny place I've ever lived. Now, maybe you heard Bodrum, but winter is really tough. I will chain 1 and turn again and make a half double and make single crochet. Half double, single crochet. I keep doing like that. You can use this stitch for your... Oh, my cats really quite crazy. You can use this for your blanket if you want. With a big yarn like I use, it will be so soft and nice. You see? I hope you like it. If you like, don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. I'm new in this channel, and I will wait for your comments. You can reach me on my Instagram address, Crochet. That's it today. Hope to see you again.